weighing in at 226 pounds, the Psycho.
Are you at all surprised by the intensity level inside this arena right now?
Not in the least bit, Michael. This is the one the WWE Universe has been looking forward to for quite some time.
Introducing the challenger from New York, weighing in at 243 pounds, the Machine, Arnold.
If this one lives up to the hype, Byron, we're in for an amazing match here tonight.
There's no reason to think this one won't live up to the hype, Michael. We're looking at some of the most intense competitors in all of WWE.
Ladies and gentlemen, WWE presents from Chicago, Illinois, the Maestro of Mayhem, the Picasso of Pain, the Rembrandt of Rage, the Drama King. Right here in WW.
To this day, the dead man still looms over the WWE landscape like a menacing shadow.
The indestructible spirit. The unmatched aura. The Phenom. Bone-chilling. You think about the impact, the aura of the Undertaker. You think about the legacy. Matches named in his likeness. The Hell in a Cell, casket matches, an unmatched legacy of the Phenom. WWE has become his personal graveyard.
Introducing the challenger from New York, weighing in at 234 pounds, he is the $1 Million Champion, Maniac Cop.
Listen to this crowd, guys. They're fired up for this one, as well as they should be. This match has instant classic written all over it.
Crowded leg.
Tear the features clean off your face. What a strike. Right on the mark. Dominating shoulder tackle. What a stomp. Good grief. Slam down hard. Right in the jaw. Ugh, what a shot. Knife edge chop echoing through the arena. You gotta believe this one's over. What a stomp. Good grief. Oh, man, right to the arm. Hyperextend your elbow. Shoulder tackle. What a stomp. Good grief. Oh, what a right. Man, that's some attitude behind it. Good golly, what a knee. Bad spot for him to be in here, guys. He's got to do something to get back in this thing. Oh, clothesline. Oh, that'll break you in half. Down to the floor. Inside the ring now. There he goes, crashing to the floor. This might be it. Oh, my. Boom! Challenger starting to falter. Ouch. But he certainly comes into this championship match with a ton of momentum. Drop kick. Oh, great height.
Boom, running STO plants him.
Nicely done. Clothesline. As we say in the trade, guys, the monitor area in the locker room is likely sold out for this one, as there are plenty of superstars with a vested interest in the outcome of this match.
Oh, what a slam! Landed him.
You're not going to win many matches that easily.
It's going to take more than that.
To Byron's point, there are several competitors on the roster who can make a case for being the next.
Oh, what a German suplex.
Whoa, the ladder hits.
Jeez, that's gotta hurt. Nailed it.
Guys, these superstars really do appear to be in peak physical condition here tonight, which isn't surprising considering what's on the line here in this championship match.
Harsh impact.
He's making a statement here with this attack. Backdrop suplex. Air raid siren.
I don't know how you survive that. I'm not sure how much he has left.
I gotta agree with you, Michael. These superstars are in tremendous shape, and from what I understand, the champ has been hitting the gym twice daily in preparation for tonight.
I heard the same thing, Saxton. Once in the morning, then again at night after the show, which makes me wonder when the champ actually sleeps, if at all.
When this guy's on, look out.
What a stomp. Good grief.
You gotta believe this one's over.
Beautiful technique. Oof.
Full Nelson reverse slam. Wow, we might just be witnessing the end of The Undertaker.
Clothesline.
Right in the back of the neck.
Well, he's got him here. He's got incredible impact.
Ooh, what impact.
The challenger's taking on some offense. You can bet he's not going to let this golden opportunity slip so easily.
He's doing exactly what he didn't want to do here. He's letting his opponent right back into this match. Oh boy, he is rolling.
On the mark.
Boom, right to the jaw.
Oh, you can pick up your teeth in section 112.
Aiden English is showing a lot of heart here, but how can he turn this around in his favor? Guys, he's going to have to turn things around quickly if he wants to win this thing.
At this point, they both look to be about evenly matched. Maybe I'd give him an edge.
Corkscrew neck breaker.
So good. Nice. Shut it down.
I'd say the end is near, fellas. The Undertaker looking to bury another victim.
Pile driver.
The challenger simply will not be denied.
He got him there.
Just look at this, Cole.
Wow. Nasty drop.
The challenger not looking good right now. And you have to wonder how much the challenger can sustain at this point.
Man, he was making it look easy there for a moment, which is pretty impressive considering who he's in the ring with.
Hell's Gate!
This
Hell's
is bad.
Gate!
This is real bad.
The Go-Go Plana's locked in.
Corey, check this out.
Yeah, that was amazing.
And the slam. Whoa, Aiden English able to avoid damage.
Oh, and a DDT! Backbreaker! He's not going to go quietly.
No superstar worth his salt ever does. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Clothesline! The challenger's championship dreams are fading quickly. It looks like he's starting to feel the pressure of competing in this championship match.
Well, on the plus side, he's not the only one in that ring struggling for air right now.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. Ooh! Oh no, we know what this is. Power bomb!
We might be looking at a new champ here.
Back elbow.
Gee, did you see that?
Lightning fast reflexes. Too quick for him there. Showing off some of his speed there.
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
The Undertaker looking to bury another victim.
There it is.
Did you hear that crack?
Big slam.
Oh my God!
This one's over, guys.
The force of that impact should put an end to this match right here.
Oh, nasty impact.
Irish whip. Scoop slam. Shoulders on the mat. He's bringing it back inside the ring now, and he got a near fall out of it.
How'd he do that?
Whoa, the Undertaker top.
Wow, I thought he was a goner.
You better hope this stamina holds up.
Whoa, Aiden English able to avoid damage.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Gonna be woozy after that impact.
Back between the ropes.
Oh, man!
Ouch.
Boom, what impact! Oh, look at this. Oh, right to the body. That hurt.
When this guy's on,
It might be cliche, but it's true here. It ain't over till it's over.
This might be it.
Oh my.
Oh, body press. Boom. Bella Buster.
See ya.
Can he finish him off here?
let's check this out again, Corey.
So effective, Cole.
Aiden English is looking to end this. There it is.
Did you hear that crack?
Beautiful technique. Boom, what impact. Ooh. Clothesline. Crowded leg. What a clothesline. Ouch.
Aiden English turns it around.
Aiden English with it hooked. Oh, here's his moment, Michael.
He wants to do this in the ring.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Shoulders down. Championship on the line. Boom. Here's the pin. Title on the line. 2.
And he got a near fall out of it.
Wow, I thought for sure that was it.
Oh, a flying forearm.
On the mark.
You gotta believe this one's over.
Lariat.
Oh, and he connects.
There's no reason to lose your footing on a move like that.
Quickly into the cover with the title on the line.
There it is.
Champion. Flying forearm. Not so fast.
Oh my goodness. Tombstone.
Pile driver.
Well, there's only one thing left to say, guys. Rest in peace.
Several different ways this can end.
And all of them involve pain.
Focused attack on the back.
Oh, Aiden English saw that one coming.
Oh, and he releases the hold.
Wow. Part of me thought that was it, Cole. Nailed it.
Oh man, the champ looks absolutely out of it right now.
Here we go. Take a look at this again.
Yeah, that was nice.
Quickly into the cover with the title on the line.
New champion. New champion. Strong kick. My goodness.
Leg drop.
Oh boy, he is rolling. What impact. Don't be surprised if we crown a new champ here.
Harsh. Here's the pin. Title on the line. An easy kick out there.
Not quite.
Nailed it.
Harsh impact. This might be it.
Oh my.
Oh, nasty impact. Beautiful technique.
Big time slam. Vicious. Incoming. Counter here. What's this? Incredible impact. Here we go. Big slam.
Game, set, match. This one is over.
One more time. Why not? 1. And the shoulders come up.
I can't believe it. He just won't go away.
Bang! Vicious strike. Oh, what a clothesline.
Forcefully delivered.
Point of the elbow, nailed it. Oh, the ladder hits. Jeez. that's gotta hurt. Ooh, what impact.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Boom, running STO plants him.
Nicely done.
Over the years, we've come to expect these bursts of greatness from him. Oh! Too quick for him there.
Whoa, Aiden English able to avoid damage.
Oh, clothesline!
Set it up. English from behind. Full Nelson reverse slam. The champ's in a real bad place right now.
In case you're keeping score, that's twice, Byron.
You gotta believe this one's over.
Here comes the Undertaker with a flying clothesline. Oof!
Oh, look at this. Neck breaker. Ooh. Uh-oh. Is he done? And he finds a way free.
Wow, that was just pure determination, Cole.
Boom! Aiden English setting it up. Oh my God, a clothesline. He looks to be losing a bit of leverage here. I don't believe it. Look out, he breaks free.
Great job by him there, but he's still in a tough spot, Cole.
Boom! He's making a statement here with this attack.
Oh, right to the back.
Tombstone. The champ needs to hurry here. Wow, let's see that again. Man, he is simply a walking highlight reel.
Wicked body shot.
Oh, he's got him here. He's got him. Ooh, sidewalk slam. Ooh, we might be looking at a new champ here.
Aiden English is rolling now.
Harsh impact.
There was a lot of force behind that one.
Oh, incredible.
There was a lot of force behind that one.
Oh, boy, he is rolling. Quickly into the cover with the title on the line.
Suplex.
The pinfall and the victory. Man, that Extreme Rules match is one of the best I've ever seen. It was incredible.
That was just one of those matches that the men involved should just be proud to be a part of. A legendary performance. Hope everybody at home set those DVRs because that was a match you're going to want to watch again and again and again. Epic.
Here is your winner and the new WWE Universal Champion, the Psycho.
The shoulders are down for 3, and this one's in the books. Wow, when you pick up a pinfall victory over somebody like that, you've done something right. I can't think of a better match to end this eventful evening. Good night, everybody. We'll see you next time.